Hi friends, if you are trying to eat high protein, high fiber, lose weight but still want to enjoy Indian food, this is going to help you a lot. Today I am showing you 5 different vegetarian breakfasts from one simple meal prep. Each one has around 30 grams of protein and they are perfect for weight loss. I prep once and breakfast is done for the entire week. Here is how I meal prep on weekend. For the batter, I soak a mix of lentils and chickpeas. Blend it smooth, then mix in ragi flour and salt. Give it a quick ferment overnight and by morning your high protein batter is ready for the whole week. On Sunday, I prep the stuffing with lots of vegetables and paneer for extra protein and fiber. It's super simple, just a quick tadka, lots of veggies, then paneer for extra protein. Season it with salt and pepper. Done. If you want your stuffing stay fresh for longer in the refrigerator, don't add onions or tomatoes. And this is my secret protein boost chutney. It's made with roasted lentils, chickpeas, seeds, nuts and yogurt. So it's creamy, super filling and adds even more protein to every meal. A quick tadka on top and it tastes amazing. So this is my high protein base, mixed lentils, beans and ragi powder. More protein, more fiber and way more filling than regular rice batter. Just store everything in airtight glass containers. It stays fresh for up to 5 days. So breakfast is sorted all week. Now let's cook. Let's start with the family favorite, protein dosa wrap. Just spread the batter like a regular dosa. This batter is made with lentils, chickpeas and ragi. So it's naturally gluten-free, high in protein and packed with fiber. Way more filling than regular dosa and perfect if you are trying to eat healthy or lose weight. Instead of potato filling, this filling is much more healthier. Dosa is high protein, the chutney is high protein and the stuffing is high fiber and very tasty. Alright, now let's move to the easiest morning option. Idli. This is the same fermented batter, so it's light, fluffy and really easy to digest. That's why idli is such a classic South Indian breakfast. Simple, comforting and perfect first thing in the morning. Pair it with my high protein chutney and it's soft, warm and seriously delicious. So spongy. This Uttapam is my personal favorite. Loaded with veggies and volume, lower in calorie, high protein and perfect for weight loss. And I love how they taste. For this veggie loaded Uttapam, I just mix onions, peppers, spinach, carrots, beetroot, basically whatever veggies I have. Adding vegetables like this is such an easy way to boost fiber, keep you full longer and support your gut health. And more fiber naturally helps with weight loss too, because you stay satisfied without overeating. Plus, it's colorful, soft, and so delicious with that green chutney. Once you try this, you will understand why this is my personal favorite. It tastes so good. Then we turn it into Appe, crispy little protein bites. Just a few drops of oil, add the batter, a spoon of stuffing in the center, and cover it up. They cook super fast and turn perfectly golden and crispy outside, soft inside. They are basically mini protein pancakes. And thanks to this Appe pan, we can make it so quickly. I will link the pan in the description if you want one too. If you have kids, they are going to love it too. And when you crave for a sandwich, try this gluten-free healthy sandwich. And this one actually happened by accident. At home, my son doesn't like bread, and honestly, we were getting tired of sourdough too. So I had some leftover batter on Friday, and just out of curiosity, I thought, what happens if I pour this into the sandwich maker? At first, I wasn't sure, but when I opened it, it had set perfectly, just like bread. And because the batter was naturally fermented, it was very spongy too. I got so excited and instantly turned it into a sandwich using the same chutney and stuffing from our meal prep. And the funniest part, my son left the corners, exactly like he does with regular bread. So mission accomplished. If you love sandwiches but want something healthier and higher protein, you are going to love this one. If you don't tell anybody, they will think they are eating normal brown bread sandwich. So today we prepped one high protein batter and turned it into 5 different vegetarian breakfasts. Idli, Dosa, Appe, Uttapam, and even a sandwich. Family friendly, easy, and perfect for busy mornings. You can even pack them for lunch. So try this system, make a batch, and share this video with someone who is trying to eat healthier too. This is not just about weight loss. These are real balanced meal, rich in protein, fiber, iron, and calcium. The kind of food that gives you strength, energy, and overall health. When you start your day like this, everything feels easier. As a health coach, I always try to share not only healthy but delicious and easy recipes that you can easily incorporate into your diet and make it sustainable. If you like my content, please press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss this kind of content from me. Let's build a strong and healthy community together.